Experiencing a black screen on your EE Box Pro can be frustrating, but understanding the common causes can help you resolve the issue quickly. The primary causes typically fall into three main categories. Let's examine each one to help you identify what might be causing your black screen. HDMI connection problems are the most common cause of black screens. These include handshake failures between your box and TV, incompatible or damaged HDMI cables, port degradation on either device, or HDCP authentication errors. Power supply issues can also cause black screens. This includes insufficient power from the adapter, internal power management failures, overheating leading to protective shutdowns, or capacitor degradation in older units. Software and firmware conflicts represent the third major category. These include corrupted system files, failed update installations, memory allocation errors, or app conflicts that can cause system crashes and result in a black screen. To start troubleshooting, begin with these basic checks. First, verify all physical connections are secure. Try different HDMI ports on your TV and test with a different cable. Check that your power adapter is functioning correctly and perform a simple soft reset by unplugging the box for 30 seconds. These basic troubleshooting steps resolve the majority of black screen issues. If these don't work, more advanced solutions may be needed, which we'll cover in the next section. When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your EE Box Pro black screen issue, it's time to move to intermediate and advanced solutions. These methods target deeper system problems and hardware conflicts. Intermediate solutions include 4 key approaches. First, a factory reset through recovery mode can clear corrupted system data that may be causing the black screen. Second, adjusting HDMI resolution settings can resolve compatibility issues between your TV Box Pro and display device, especially with newer 4K televisions. Third, booting in safe mode helps identify if a third-party app is causing system conflicts that result in black screen issues. Finally, verify your network connectivity, as some black screen issues can arise from network errors that prevent proper content streaming and system updates. If intermediate solutions don't resolve the issue, advanced troubleshooting becomes necessary. These methods address hardware-level problems and system corruption. Advanced troubleshooting involves firmware recovery procedures that can restore corrupted system files and return your device to a functional state. Hardware component testing using professional diagnostic tools can identify failing components like HDMI ports, power circuits, or internal processors. If hardware failure is suspected, contact EE support for a replacement unit, especially if your device is still under warranty coverage. EE has made significant improvements to address these issues. Let's look at the recent developments and trends that affect black screen problems. Units manufactured after 2023 show 23% fewer black screen incidents due to improved hardware design and better quality control. HDMI 2.1 compatibility improvements have reduced handshake errors by 31%, significantly decreasing connection-related black screen problems. Be aware of seasonal power issues during cold weather. Power adapters may fail in temperatures below 5 degrees Celsius, and EE offers a voluntary replacement program for affected units. These advanced troubleshooting methods, combined with EE's ongoing improvements, provide comprehensive solutions for resolving persistent black screen issues on your TV Box Pro.